Now listen here. Next exercise concept, the circle. First one is the equation of circle when the center and the radius are given. What is the formula? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. H comma k is the center and r is radius. Similarly, the equation of circle when the n points of a diamonds are given. Suppose this circle, the center, this is the diameter. This point is x1, y1, is x2, y2. Now, end of the diamonds are given me. What's the formula? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. This is called ends of the diameters are given. The first one is what? Center and radius given. Usually, already you know, general equation of circle getting the general secondary equation is what? The pair of straight line. Ax square plus 2xy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy equal to 0 plus c equal to 0. This is pair of secondary, that means what? Secondary equation. Now, this equation represents circle mean the coefficient x square and y square will be equal even a equal to b, and also the coefficient xy, that is 2h, h is 0. No xy term. X square term, y square equal term will come, and no xy term means that equation represent the circle. The general equation circle is automatically no xy term, and a equal to b, no, that's why here the coefficient x square 1, y square, the coefficient y square also 1. In this way, this is general equation of the circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal. The last three terms the same thing, but here no xy term, x square b square, no, a and b are equal number. Am I right? That's why I start with x square plus y square, 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is the general equation of circle. Suppose this type of circle is given me, first central radius is given, you find the equation circle. For circle is given to find the center minus g comma minus f. Radius root of g square plus f square minus c. The c having no square is important. G square plus f square minus c. This is concept for 3.4 exercise. So to find the circle equation when the central radius is given. To find the circle equation when the ends of diameters are given. Then circle equation is given to find the center and radius. In this way again we have only this much concept for exercise 3.4. Now exercise 3.4, two subdivision. Find the equation of the circle, following circle having the center given, radius given. What I told you? Given center. The center represent h comma k 3 comma 5. And the radius given r equal to 5. Now what is the formula? Equation of the circle when center radius given means what is the formula? X minus h whole square, y minus k whole square equal to r square. X minus h is what? 3 whole square. Y minus k is what? 5 whole square. R square is what? 5 square. Now it is on the form a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2 into a into b, 6x. A square, 5 square 25 minus 2 into a into b, 2 into 5 10, 10 into 10 y equal to 25. This number cancel, okay? Now write in order x square term, then y square term, x term, then y term, the number term, constant term. This is the required circle equation. Am I right? Very simple concept. 2 mark or 3 mark. Center given, radius given. Like the formula for this one is x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square equal to r square. Substitute h comma k value and r value. Then simply we get the answer. Next question on the same method. What is given? Center h comma k is 0 comma 0. Am I right? Radius r equal to 2. Now what is asking? Equation of the circle is asking. What is the formula? X minus x whole square y minus k whole square equal to r square. X minus x. H is what? 0 whole square. Y minus 0 whole square equal to r is what? 2 square. X minus 0 only x of x square plus y square equal to 4 is the answer. That's all. Reciprocal concept. Okay, both the same method. This is again center that is given to find the equation of the circle. This is the method. Now, next question. Find the center and radius of the circle. If the equation is given, what is asking? Center and radius asking. Now, this given as x square plus y square minus 6 equal to 0. Now, what I told you? General equation of the circle, it is of the form. What I told you? X square term, y square term, 2gx, 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now, 2g equal to the coefficient x, no x up to 0, so g is 0. 2f equal to what? The coefficient y, no y term 0, f equal to 0. Constant is what? Minus 16. In this way, you want comparing the circle equation to find the value of GFC. Now what is asking? Center is asking. Formula for this one is equal to minus g comma minus f. What is the answer? 0 comma 0. That's all. G 0 equals to 0. The radius, what is the formula? G square plus f square minus c is the formula. 0 square 0 minus c is what? Minus of minus is plus 16. Am I right? Root of 16 is what? 4 unit. That is the answer. In this way, you will find the center and the radius. You give one equation is given. You write the circle equation. Then comparing to find the value of G, F, C. Then write the formula substituted. The second question, x square plus y square minus 22x, then minus 4y plus 25 0. Am I right? Now the same thing, this is given now. Again, it is of the form. It is of the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is the formula. Generally, it is the formula. Now comparing the coefficient x square, x is what? 2g. Here minus 22. G is minus 7. Am I right? Then 2f equal to what? Minus 4. F equal to minus 2. C equal to what? Constant of 25. Am I right? G, F, C over. Now what is asking? Center is asking. What is the formula? Minus G comma minus F. G is what? Minus 11. Formula is minus. Minus of minus plus 11. Plus 2. This one. Am I right? Next radius. What is the formula? G square plus F square minus C is the formula. G square minus 11 square minus 2 square minus 25. C is 25. 121 plus 4 minus 25. 121 plus 4, 125 minus 25, 100. Root of 100 is 10 units. That's the same method, both of the same method. Circle equation is given mean, you write the standard equation of circle. Then comparing to find the G, F, C, then write the formula, substitute the value, you get the answer. That's all. Now listen here, third question. 5x square plus 5y square plus 4x minus 8y minus 16 is 0. Now standard equation of the circle is start with x square plus y square. Am I right? That's why we don't want 5. Divided by 5. The x square, y square, 4 by 5 into x minus 8 by 5 into y minus 16 by 5 equal to 0. Am I right? Now it is of the form previous model. X square plus y square 2gx 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now comparing 2g equal to 4 by 5. We want g, divided by 2 by 5. Am I right? 2f equal to minus 8 by 5. F equal to minus 4 by 5. C equal to minus 16 by 5. Am I right? Now center minus G comma minus F. Change sign minus 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5. Am I right? Over. Now radius. What is the formula? G square plus f square minus c. G square 2 by 5 whole square. Next minus 4 by 5 whole square minus already minus 16 by 5 c value plus 16 by 5. Am I right? Now simplify 4 by 25 16 by 25. Now denominator multiply by 5 means 25. Numerator is what? 80. Multiply by 5 divided by 5. What is the reason? All the denominators having 25 means taking LCM is easy for you. Am I right? Now adding all denominator 20 100. 1 times 4 times. Am I right? Root of 4 is what? 2 units. That is the answer. Practice is coming. That's why taking all denominator will be equal. That's why I want to multiply by 5 numerator and denominator. That's why 80 by 25. Denominator is 25 is LCM. Numerator adding all the value 100 divided by 25. That's 4 times. Root of 4 is what? 2 is the answer. In this way you find the value of radius. Practice is coming. But our final answer is simple answer. Then fourth question also this method only. What is given? X minus x plus 2 into x minus 5. Next y minus 2 into y minus 1 equal to 0. Now you want to multiply, standard equation will come. That is x now. Multiply x into x square. Then very simple concept, x into x square. The number is what? 2 minus 5. That is minus 3x. Let's multiply. Plus 2 into minus 5 minus 10. In this way you want to multiply that. First term with first term x square. Adding both the number into x. Then multiply. That's all. Simply here y into y square. Adding both the number minus 3y. Multiply both the number plus 2. Now write in order. X square term. Y square term. X term. Y term. The number term is minus 8 equal to. Okay? Now the thing is here. It is of the form. What is the answer? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is the formula. Now combine the coefficient x is what? 2g equal to minus 3, g equal to minus 3 by 2. 2f equal to minus 3. Am I right? f equal to minus 3 by 2. C is what? Minus 8. Now write the formula for center. What is the formula? Minus g comma minus here. Change sign 3 by 2. Again 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Okay? Because g is minus 3 by 2. Formula is minus g. That's why minus into minus plus. Now radius. What is the formula? Root of g square plus f square minus c is the formula. Minus 3 by 2 whole square. Again minus 3 by 2 whole square. Minus or minus plus 8. Now 9 by 4. Again 9 by 4. What I told you? Denominator 4 will take LCM for easy for you know. Divided multiply by 4. You need denominator. No number with denominator is what? 1 multiply by 4. Multiply by 4 in numerator also. Thank you. Am I right? What is that? 4 is LCM. Here 18, 50. Am I right? 50. Now the square root of 4 is 2. The 50 can be written as 25 into 2. 20 root of 25 is 5. 5 into root 2. Am I right? This is the answer. Am I right? Root of 25 can be as 5 into root 2. Am I right? What is the answer? This is the answer. Now, anyway, first model, center and radius given to find the circle equation. These 4 problems are equations given to find the center and radius. This type of question, 2 mark or 3 mark important. Now listen, third question. Find the equal circle whose center given. That's the mark given. Now equation asking center given, but we need radius also. Instead of radius, what is given? Given the circumference of the circle equal to 16 pi is given. Circumference, what is the formula? 2 pi r. Am I right? Pi by cancel. R equal to 16 by 2. That is what? 8. Radius 8. Center, and the center is what? H comma k equal what? Already got -3 comma -2. Am I right? From the circumference you find radius or center already given. Now equation of circle. Equation of the what is the formula? X minus h whole square, y minus k whole square equal to r square. X minus h minus a plus 3 will come. A y plus 2 whole square. R is what? 8 square. Am I right? Now what is the formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab is 4y. 8 square means what? 64. Come this side, minus 64 equal to 0. Now write in order. X square plus y square, then x term, then y term. What are the number? Here. Actually here, minus 64 plus 4, that is minus 60, plus 9, minus 60 plus 9, minus 51 equal to 0. That is answer. Pretty simple only. Now next one, here center given. Center given. Can you draw diagram? This center is what? 2, 3 is given. 1 point, pause in the point. Here 1, 4 is given. Am I correct? This is called radius. So center given means h comma k given. No problem. We need center. Center means what? Distance between the 2 points. From center to here, 1, 4, this 1, 4. 1, 4. This is a 1 point. Right on the circle. That's why from center 2, 3 to 1, 4. This is called radius. By using distance formula. Now what is given? Given center h comma k directly given 2, 3 over. We want radius or what is the formula? Distance between 2, 3 and 1, 4. What is distance formula? Square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Am I right? This is formula. 1 square minus 1 whole square. 1 plus 1 that is root 2. Root 2 is the radius. Am I right? Then 3 is area. Here radius by using the circumference formula. To find radius by using distance formula. That's all. Now equation of the circle. What's the formula? X minus h whole square, y minus k whole square equal to r square. X minus h is what? 2. 2 whole square. Y minus 3 whole square equal to root 2 whole square. Am I right? Now it is from a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab plus a minus b, a square y square plus 3 square 9 minus 2 into 3 6y. Root 2 square being only 2 comes as minus 2 equal to 0. Now write in order x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y. Now 4 plus 9 13. 13 minus 2 11 equal to 0. This is the answer. Both the same method, but h comma k given, but radius was somewhat extra. To find radius, then previous area. That's all. Listen here. The question is, important 5 mark question, 5th question. Find the equation of circle passing through the 3 points. 3 points. Let the circle equation be total equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now substitute this point, we get one equation. Second point, second equation. Third point, third equation. About 3 equations involving g, f, c. In terms order, 3 equations x, y, z, no. Here, 3 equations are involving g, f, c. Solving, we get the answer f, g, c. Substitute that as the answer. Form the equation, three equation, then solve the equation, we get answer. Where we modify my question? First point, what is the first point? At 0, 1. X is 0, 0 square, y is 1. 2 is g into 0, 2f into 1 plus c equal to 0. Am I right? Here 0, 1, 0, 2f plus c equal to 0. For 2f plus c is equal to minus 1. This is the first equation. Am I right? Next, at 4, 3. Substitute here 4 square plus 3 square, 2g into 4, 2f into 3 plus c equal to 0. 16, 9, 8g, 6f plus c equal to 0. 8g, 6f plus c equal to adding both 25 comes at minus 25. This is second equation. Am I right? Next, at 1 comma minus 1. Substitute that 1 square minus 1 whole square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into minus 1 plus c equal to 0. 1 plus 1 plus 2g minus 2f plus c equal to 0. Or 2g minus 2f plus c is equal to minus 2. 1 plus 2, you know, minus 2. This is third equation. Now this type of equation, always here 2f plus c. The last one is c plus c. Here also last one plus c. Am I right? Here, actually, this equation not involving g. That's why I want to consider third and fourth, second and third equation to eliminate g. Am I right? That will be easy for you. Now, solve 2 and 3. What is second equation? 8g, 6f. 8g is there. That's why second is multiplied by 1. 8g plus 6f plus c equal to 0. Next is what? Third equation multiplied by 4. 2 into the 2g is there. 4 multiplied by 4, you know? 8g multiplied by 4. 8f plus 4c minus 8. Change the sign. Am I right? This will be cancelled. Now adding both 14f minus 3c equal to plus 8. This is the fourth equation. Now solve 1 and 4. Am I right? For the first equation, 2f plus c equal to minus 1. Here 14f minus 3c is there. That's why the first equation multiplied by 3. What is the answer? 6f, 3c minus 3. The fourth is multiplied by 1. 14f minus 3c, 8. Now cancel. Adding both 20f equal to 5. F equal to 5 by 20. F equal to 1 by 4. Am I right? Put F equal to 1 by 4 in the first equation. Am I right? Put F equal to 1 by 4 in the first equation. 2 into 1 by 4 plus c equal to minus 1. Cancel. Therefore, c equal to minus 1. The 1 by 2 comes with minus 1 by 2. Where 2 is LCM, no? Minus 2, cross minus 2, minus 1 is minus 3 by 2. Is C. Put C equal to minus 3 by 2, F equal to 1 by 4. In which equation? Is it second equation or third equation? Am I right? Then only we get the value for. For what is the first equation actually? 8g plus 6f plus 25. Next one is check yourself something. That f is equal to minus 1 is coming. Minus 1 is coming. Second equation is multiplied by 1. This is correct. Second equation multiplied by 1, you know. 8g plus 6f plus c equal to minus 25. You see here, minus 25. Am I right? Now change the sign, we get minus 17. Am I right? Now minus 17 will come. Automatically adding both, minus 20 will come. Over here, minus 20 divided by 20 is minus 1. Now substitute that, put f equal to minus 1 in 1. Am I right? What is the first equation? 2 into minus 1 plus c equal to minus 1. So c equal to minus 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 comes in plus 2. C equal to 1. C equal to 1. F equal to minus 1. In which one easy for you? Third equation. 2 into g minus 2 into minus 1 plus c is 1 equal to minus 2. Am I right? For 2g minus plus say plus 2 plus 1 3 equal to what? Minus 2 minus 3. That is g is equal to minus 5 by 2. Therefore, what is final answer? Required the circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2 into g into x. G is what? Minus 5 by 2x plus 2 into f into y minus 1 into y plus c is 1 equal to 0. Can you know? Of x square plus y square minus 5x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Then a sum of the equation solving only extra work actually. Am I right? I want to consider first equation without g. That's why I want to consider second and third equation eliminate g. Now first equation, fourth equation involving f and c only. Now I want to eliminate c alone. We get f value. Replace f value in first equation. We get c value. Again substitute f value c value in the third equation. We get g value. That's all. We got a final question. Form the equation, then solve the equation. One more question, the previous method slightly somewhat different concept is given. Instead of 3 points, 2 points are given, one more equation is given. Anyway, this also form the equation, then solve the equation to find the value of g, f, c. Once again replace the value, you get the answer. Now, one circle is given, find the equation circle on the line join the point 1.1, 0, 0, 1, the line, and having center on the line, this same line. Am I right? The line lies on the center minus g, minus f, this area. Now first is what? What is the first point? At 1, 0. 1 square, 0 square, 2g into 1, 2f into 0, c equal to 0. Now 2g plus 0 need not right, plus c equal to 1 square means 1 you know, minus 1. This is first equation. 0 need not right. Next one at 0, 1. Am I right? 0 square plus 1 square, 2g into 0, 2f into 1 plus c equal to 0. Am I right? Now, here 1 square 1 0 need not right, 0 need not right. So 2f plus c is equal to minus 1. This is second equation. Am I right? Now third one is, since the center, which center minus g, minus f lies on the line. Which line? X plus y equal to 1. That means what? Minus g, minus f equal to 1. This is the third equation. Now listen here. Third equation in not involving c. That's why solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. Eliminate c. First one is what? 2g plus 2 plus 2g no f term plus c equal to minus 1. Here 2f plus c is equal to minus 1. That is all. Change the sign. Change the sign. Change the sign. What is the answer? This will be cancelled. For 2g minus 2f equal to 0. Of g minus f equal to 0. This is the fourth equation. Now solve 3 and 4. 3 is what? Minus g, minus f equal to 1. Here g minus f equal to 0. Cancel. Minus 2f equal to 1. f equal to minus 1 by 2. Am I right? Put f equal to minus 1 by 2 in, which one is for you? Fourth one. G minus half minus plus half equal to 0. Am I right? Now, G is equal to minus 1 by 2, right? Put G is equal to minus 1 by 2 in the first equation. 2 into G is what? Minus 1 by 2 plus C equal to minus 1, 2 cancel. Plus C equal to what? Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Therefore, the required circle equation, substitute all the values in the given equation, that is the answer. Required circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2 into g is minus 1 by 2 x, 2 into minus 1 by 2 y plus 0 equal to 0. C 0 equal to 0. 2 to cancel. Therefore, x square plus y square minus x minus y equal to 0. This is the answer. In both of us same method, form the equation, then solve the equation, we get a circle equation. These two questions are very, very important for 5 mark question. Now, seventh question, if the line x plus y equal to 6 and x plus 2y equal to 4 are the diameters. That means what? Diameters mean a line passes through the center. Am I right? This is the first equation. This is the first equation. Second equation. X plus y equal to 6. X plus 2y equal to 4. The center. Now, automatically solving this equation, we get the center. Am I right? Solving this equation, point of equation is called center of the circle. Because diameter always passes through center. That's why the point of intersection of these two lines are center. Am I right? Center. H, K. Now one more point is given. 2, 6 is given. What is given? The circle passes through a point. This is a point. Now from center to here, that is called radius. What is the work actually? Solving this equation, we get the center H, K over. Then distance between the center and this point is called radius. Radius over. Now center and radius mean, what is circle equation formula? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Am I right? First, solve to find the center. To find the center, solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. Am I right? What is the solving? X plus y equal to 6. X plus 2y equal to what? 4. We have to change sign. This will cancel. Minus y equal to 2. Y equal to minus 2. Put y equal to minus 2 in the first equation. X minus 2 equal to 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Therefore, the center h, k equal to 8, minus 2. Center find out. The radius equal to what? Distance between, what are the points? Center is what? 8, minus 2 and 2, 6. Am I right? What is the formula? x1 minus x2 whole square, that is 8 minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 minus 6 whole square. 6 square minus 8 whole square. That is 6 square is what? 36 plus 64. That is 100. That is 10 and this R. Anyway, solving this equation, we get center radius. Distance for 2 points, we get radius. Now find the equation of circle. What is the formula? X minus x whole square, y minus k whole square equal to r square. Now substitute here. X minus h is what? X minus 8 whole square. Y plus 2 whole square equal to r is what? 10 square. What is formula? A square plus B square minus 2AB. A square plus B square plus 2AB minus 100. Now write in order. X square plus Y square 16x plus 4y. Add this number 68. 68 minus 100 minus 32 equals 0. That is the answer. Anyway, this is also previous idea. But to find the center, then radius, then as usual. In the same find. May want to find out one? Now the 8th question. Find the equation of the circle having 4, 7 and minus 2, 5 as the extremities of a diameter. Extremities mean end of the diameter. A line past the center is called line, this end is given. Let it be x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, the ends of the diameter are given in equation of the circle. One formula is what is the formula? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0 is the formula. Now, substitute here. X1 is 4, x2 is minus 2 plus 2, y2 is 7, y2 is 5. Am I correct? Now multiply x into x square. Now adding both number minus 2x. Then multiply both minus 8. Again y into y square. Am I correct? Next adding both minus 12y. Multiply both plus 35. Now write in order. X square term plus y square term, x term, y term, then number term plus 27 equal to 0. This is the answer. That's all. Very simple concept. 2 more question, what question? Now, this is also 2 more question. Simple question. Here what is asking? Find the Cartesian equation. Cartesian equation means the equation involving x and y, x square, y square. In this way, here theta is not, that's why you want to eliminate theta. What is given? X equal to 3 cos theta. And y equal to what? 3 sin theta. This only given. Now square and adding x square plus y square equal to 3 cos theta whole square. 3 sin theta whole square. Am I right? Left hand side x square plus y square. Upper square 3 cos theta whole square. 3 sin theta whole square. Now this is 9 cos square theta, 9 sin square theta, 9 is common, cos square plus sin square equal to 1. Am I correct? That's why I want square and cosine. That's important. We want the equation involving x and y only, x square, y square only. We don't want theta, sin and cos involving, squaring and adding. Automatically, 9 is common, cos square plus sin is 1. That is the answer. But the equation involving without theta is called Cartesian equation. Which is the required Cartesian equation. That's all. Which is the required Cartesian equation of circle. That's all. You must say here, all the exercise problem over. Now refer the book. In the exam problem also some of the problems, 5 more questions, important questions there. By using 3 points are given, solve the equation, form the equation, solve the equation to find circle equation. No? That's a very important 5 more question. Refer the book. Exam problem, refer the book. I did all the exercise problem. That's all.